All right, I know this is a video that some of you have been waiting for because I said I would give you an update. Did Gina reach her goal for her beauty services to pay the lease at her new studio? Now, is this video all the rainbows and sunshine that if you just stay consistent, things will get perfect? No. Did I hit my goal? No. Hey guys, welcome to Impressive Glow. This is Gina. I'm the owner and educator of Impressive Glow Spray Tan and Teeth Whitening Training, where my ultimate mission is to help women, moms, single moms, learn how to start a side hustle as either a spray tan or teeth whitening technician and to build some financial independence in that process. So really quick, let me tell you who this video is for. This video is for somebody who just started their spray tan business and is expecting it to explode and asking questions as to why they haven't filled their books within 2 to 3 months. This video is also for somebody who may have just moved to a new city and is struggling getting new clients and wondering how she is going to build her new business in this new city. Because for somebody who has been in the spray tan industry for the last almost 8 years, I want to show you how this is truly done. So let's do a little recap as to where I was when I started this entire little journey. About almost 2 years ago, I moved my entire business from Southern California to South Carolina. And recently, as of August of last year, 2025, I opened a studio space. I originally wasn't going to do that, but I did. And as of December, I was ultimately trying to reach a goal, and I did a YouTube video about this, so you can watch it. I will tag it. But I did a YouTube video in December to set up a goal that I would try to get and earn only service money to pay for my studio rent. Now, I offer online, in-person spray tan and teeth whitening training that does absolutely phenomenal, but I wanted to set a goal to have just my services, which is what you guys are doing, is just allowing services to pay for studio lease space. The goal was to hit $1,850 within 4 months. And I started that count in December. Did I hit it? No, I didn't. I didn't hit it. So here is the actual number update. As of March 2026, I earned $1,425 in studio services from spray tanning and teeth whitening alone. So did I hit my goal? No, but let me tell you what I also counted. Now, as of December, I had 9 appointments. That's it, just 9. But as of March, I had 30 clients. Which to me, within 4 months, that is a really big increase. And as of, I think I counted as of the 7th of this month, I already had like 26 appointments booked for the month so far. So to me, looking at those numbers is not failure, it's momentum. So this is the part that I really want for those people who I said who this video is for. This is what I truly want to talk about and discuss. This is what true business building looks like. We all want to hit the 1K, 10K in a month as fast as we can. And we see people who say they're doing it, and maybe they are, but that's not what business really looks like. This is what business really looks like. When you're looking to build a sustainable service-based business, this takes time, it takes consistency, and it takes some adjustments. So let me tell you what I have been doing to keep myself in the running to hopefully get to my goal as of next month. So number 1, I just stayed consistent. Now I know everybody talks about consistency, blah, 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 but I tell you, it actually works. Whether I felt like it or not, because I'm a big believer in batch posting, whether I wanted to or not, there was something getting posted on my service-based Instagram every single day, whether it was a quote, a meme, my before and after, showing what my results look like, showing my studio space, and showing my personality. Even on days where I wasn't feeling my own personality, I had to let everybody see who I was. That was done every single day, and I'm actually pretty proud of myself for that. I've really just built it into habit. There's not a question if I post every day. It is now a part of my routine, a part of my batching, a part of creating. There's no question if something is going to be posted on my Instagram every single day. Now, number 2, I got very strategic with local growth because I could post spray tan funny memes and spray tan things, but I'm not looking for other spray tan artists. I am looking for local women in my local area. So I went on a journey to find my ideal client, where they were spending their money, and where their eyes already were and their attention. So that means I had to go find Instagram pages where I knew my ideal client was already hanging out. So photographers, makeup artists, estheticians in my local area, and it paid off. I have grown over 500 followers just from local followers. Now that matters. That means there are 500 extra women in this area in the last 4 months who now know about Impressive Glow Studio. Whether they book right now or not, I'm going to show up for those 500 ladies every single day to let them know I'm in it to win it, and I'm going to be here when they are ready for their spray tan. Number 3, Google has been a game changer. I've always been a believer in Google and Google reviews, but it wasn't until I moved that I understood how powerful Google reviews are. Now listen, there are probably 10 spray tan artists in this local area that I can think of just off of the top of my head. There's probably 10 that I see get referred to on Facebook groups when girls ask questions. There's plenty of people getting referred, but on a daily basis, I've had clients come in, new clients who have said, I just don't know. I found you on Google because I didn't know anybody who did spray tanning. What? You know what that proves is that spray tanning is not a saturated industry, because there are still women in this local area who didn't know that there were other women offering spray tans. And only because they Googled me and I got quite a few reviews, they were able to find me as a new spray tan artist. So that just goes to show this industry is not oversaturated. Even in this local Charleston, very popular area, girls were still finding me through Google search. Now, number 4 was actually a big shocker. Word of mouth. Let me tell you what happened. In December, I had a mom call me and say she had 3 daughters who needed to come in and get a spray tan for, I think it was a winter formal or something of that nature for the school. One of the daughters happens to be a senior at the local high school who just so happens to be like this mini influencer in this area. She has exploded my business. Now, look, I have never really been the one to ideally search for a lot of young girls in my business. That just isn't my ideal client. But this one client has gotten my name out so much that I have high school girls booking me every week just from her. So I want that to be something that you look at where you don't have to have 10,000 people talking about your business. It could really matter that just one person finds you, loves you, and they tell everybody that they know about you. Number 5 that I want to talk about really humbled me was weather. Coming from California, I didn't really have to deal with weather situations all that much throughout the seasons. Even in November, December, I had full books filled with women who were my regulars. Trying to achieve this goal in South Carolina winter, where it snowed in January, is very new to me. So I haven't been able to establish my regular clientele, the ones who would drive to me in the snow regardless. So that has been the goal, to make sure that I am establishing my regular clientele that will come to me no matter what. So I wanted to give a little reality check for myself, because I am learning how to have grace. Because 2 years ago, had I not met that goal of 1850 within that 4 months, I might have crumbled and been really upset. But a little bit of reality check is that I am not just building a service-based business. I am starting from zero. I am building a training business. I am consistently creating content. I have a daughter who's in college. I got a husband. I got 2 dogs. I am building brand new courses. I am marketing everything that I am doing. So that 1425 in 4 months, I'm not mad at it. I am very proud with what I have built in this city from starting from zero. I had 0 clients when I first started. The first year that I was here, I didn't even have a studio space. So I have literally built this amount of money within 4 months, and I'm very proud of that. So what's the new goal? What's the new plan? Nothing. I am changing nothing. I am doing the same thing over and over and over again, because not only is it going to work here, it worked in California when I originally started my business. I hope you didn't come to this video thinking that you were going to find these magical tips, these magical answers, this magical goal, because nothing is going to change. I will continue to post content. I will continue to find and reach out to my local business, to my local ideal client. I will consistently work my Google reviews. I will consistently work the word of mouth, and I will continue to show up for my clients. Listen, this is not magic. There's no one thing that is going to grow your business. You may find a strategy that works really well, and then 2 weeks later, you got to find something else that works. All I know is that you have to continuously show up. But don't worry, I'm going to come back in a month or so and let you know if I've reached my goal, because I'm not worried about it. I know I will meet that. So if you are looking to just reach $1,000 a month for your business, or you're looking to reach an extra $500 a month for your family, this video should really explain to you how easy that can happen, how attainable that can actually be. And that is what I teach in my training businesses. It is what I teach in the new Impressive Glow method that I am so excited that I haven't even done a YouTube video about yet, but I have actually redesigned my entire in-person training program to be a 2-day spray tan and business training course. So I'm going to leave all the links to all the information about my in-person and online training for both spray tanning and teeth whitening. And I am so excited to bring you guys along this journey with me because it's a journey for sure. Stick around. See you guys in the next one.